Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I've got a special video for you all, something that I did not expect that I would be doing today. It's right up the street, so let's go hop in the car and take a look. All right, guys, safety first. Guys, you like my big fluffy, oh, that's tight. All right, guys, we're 3 minutes away. We're gonna go talk to him, figure out what's up with the car, look around it, and then we're hopefully gonna talk pricing if I like it. I'm not gonna tell you all what he's asking. If we get it, you all will see in the next few seconds. So, well, guys, you made it this far in the video. You won't believe this, but we did it. We finally acquired our first project car. It's a BMW E90. I'm still processing this, so it's crazy that I actually did this. I never thought I'd do this today, or in the nearby future. So this is, all I gotta say is stay tuned, because there's a lot of cool stuff coming for this thing. I've got a lot of stuff planned. And guys, one special thing about this, it actually comes manual. Just admiring. First project car ever. Like, yes, I have the Volkswagen. That's a fun daily car. This is, I don't know what I'm doing with this yet, guys. Leave your ideas down below. What do you want me to do with this thing? Give me ideas. I need them. I've got plenty of ideas in my head, but I want to do it for you all. So, you guys, stay tuned, because we've got a lot of cool stuff in the works, and